Welcome, guys, in the third lecture of AI. Continuing with the predicate logic, the example we had studied in the previous lecture, which consists of 8 statements, where we are representing the sentences in English with the help of predicate logic. Okay, now we'll see the three important issues which must be addressed in the process of converting the sentences, or we can say it as a English sentences, into the logical statements, and then by using these statements to deduce new one. Okay, the three issues we are having are in that the first one is, when we see many English sentences, they look like ambiguous in some way. Like in our previous example, the statement 5, the statement 6, and the statement 7. These are the statements having some ambiguity in them. The statements was, the fifth one was, all Roman were either loyal to Caesar or hated him. The sixth one was, everyone is loyal to someone. And the seventh one was, people only try to assassinate rulers they are not loyal to. See, these are the statements having some ambiguity in them. Though the statement 6 looks small, but it is having some kind of ambiguity associated with that. Okay, see, all these statements, for all these kinds of sentences, the correct interpretation may be difficult. Okay, so it might be difficult for correct interpreting these English sentences into the logical statements. Okay, there might be the difficulty while conversion in that. Okay, this is the first issue when we try to convert the English sentences into the logical statement. The second issue we are having is that there is often choices of how to represent the knowledge. With these available choices, simple representation are desirable, but they may preclude certain kind of reasoning. There might be, or these simple statements might be lack of reasoning quality. Okay, so when we talk about the simplicity, the expedient representation for the particular set of sentences depends on the use of which knowledge contained in the sentences will be put. Okay, so we have to choose the correct choice, or we have to choose the correct one or correct implementation, so that we can easily reason the statement for the deduction. Okay, the third issue was that when we deal with the representation using predicate logic, the third issue is, suppose in very simple situation, a set of sentences unlikely to contain the information necessary to reason about the topic at hand. So in order to be able to use a set of statements, it is necessary to have access to another set of statements that represent the fact that people consider too obvious to mention. Okay, so after dealing with these three issues, we might have to face one dynamic problem, or we can say it as a one dynamic issue, that is the situation when we does not know in advance which statement to deduce. If we don't know the deduction from the available information, this is the general issue might be faced in so many times. Okay, this issue is faced maximum time when we have to deal with logical representation of sentences. So these are all the issues regardless of the three basic issue, the one general issue is also faced. Okay, these are the issues related to the process of converting English sentences into logical statements and then using those statements to deduce the new one. Hope you got this. Okay, bye and take care.